Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about FPdc, which stands for front post double crochet. So in this swatch here, I've got front post double crochet going into this single crochet that is done on the previous row, and the swatch kind of looks like almost like a granny square with this ribbing here coming up from the textured front post stitch, because it brings the stitches up towards you. It pops them out, and then the back, you see they're kind of falling in. There's a divot there. So the front post brings the stitch up towards you, back post pushes it down. So how do you make a front post double crochet? So in the swatch, my next stitch is a simple double crochet into the chain space. So 1, 2, and the next stitch, it is the front post double crochet. So I'm gonna yarn over like you do for double crochet, insert my hook from the front to the back, go around the stitch that I'm working, and insert the hook back from the back to the front. Then yarn over and bring that loop up, which goes around the post of the stitch that you're working. So that is the post bit in the front post. And then complete the stitch as normal, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. Let's do that again. The next bit is just 2 regular double crochet stitches. And then the next one coming up, once again, the single crochet that I'm gonna do the front post around. So yarn over from the front to the back, from the back to the front, around the stitch I'm working, yarn over, bring the loop up, yarn over, oops, through 2, yarn over and through 2. So that is your front post double crochet, FPdc.